Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to do the most awesome and easiest turban look using a suede scarf. The Sublime Suede is the most comfortable, gorgeous, stretchy suede scarf out there. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to fold your scarf in half in the width. So usually you would fold a scarf for most wraps, you fold a scarf from your forehead till your neck. But for this one, we're actually folding it to be from the forehead till the crown of your head. So what you're going to do is, to get it to fit to your crown of your head, is you're going to put it up, see, like this. So the fold is by the face, and the double fold is going to be towards the back of your head. Again, like this, and like this. Now this end, you need it to be longer enough to cover the back. So that's probably about elbow length for most people, depends on the size of your shaper. So just get the shorter end, and also the shorter end is the end that it's going to be where your tail is. That's where your tail is going to be. So if that's where you like your tail, that's what you're going to do. Okay, then you're going to cover half of your shaper at whichever angle you like. If you like your angle to meet in the middle of the face, make sure the scarf is meeting in the middle of the face. If you like it more like this, you know, more over, wherever you like it, place it now. Okay, so lay that down. Then at the back, you're going to put the shorter end underneath the longer end, just crisscross like this. So your longer end is going to hold it in place. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your shorter end, spread it out, and pick it up. Now you're going to tuck it under. If it's too short, like in my case, what you're going to do is you're going to make it just a tiny bit longer. Same thing again. If it's too long, and it's bulking up over there, you're going to want to make it shorter to start off with. Okay, again. So we're putting the longer end over the shorter end. Now spread out the shorter tail and pick it straight up. Then you're going to tuck it all around. You're going to find this pocket, and you're going to tuck it around. Going all around, evenly spreading it out. Tuck it around and up. Okay, now once you've done that, if you like it really secure, you can give this a pull. Remember, pulling too tight could cause headaches, so really you just want to leave it somewhat loose, if that's what you like loose. But if you like tight, you're welcome to pull it stronger. Okay, now what you're going to do with the longer end is you're going to find where it folds naturally, and that's going to go closer to your face. The sides where the edges are, you're going to want them further away from your face, and you're just going to fold them in slightly. Now use your hand to guide the fold, covering your shaper. Bring it around. Then what you're going to want to do is you're going to take two fingers, and where that front edge is, you're just going to hold that down. With your other hand, you're going to take any fold in the scarf, and you're just going to hold that in place. There we go. Just hold it in place. So now you're getting a zigzag effect. You're going to bring it around. Bring it around till you get to the front. Now you're going to want to put two fingers from the front towards the back, and make sure to lift it away from your face slightly so that you're not going to grab the initial scarf that you put around. You only want to grab this. So put two fingers in from the front to the back. Hand the tail into your two fingers, and use your two fingers to guide the tail towards the front of your face. And there you have it. You have a gorgeous, comfortable, no knot suede turban. Glossy and comfortable.